I don't know. It says Disney Store, and I don't know. It could be my Donald Duck costume.
No.
Maybe it's Mommy's Daisy Duck costume.
No. Open it up.
Open it up.
Open it up. A surprise.
A surprise. It could be though. You know. I think Roscoe and Maggie have reindeer costumes from the Disney Store, and that's what this says.
No. No way. No way. You're teasing me, Dad. You're a goose.
Let's
Goose.
see.
You're a goose. Goose, goose, goose. Goose.
It's probably for me, honey.
Honey.
It's probably my Donald Duck costume. Oh, it's my Goofy costume.
Hey.
Why don't you take a look, see what that is? Does that look like Donald Duck?
No, it's Sophia. It's Sophia. It's my Sophia dress. My Sophia dress.
There you go.
Thank you.
All the
You're
excitement.
welcome.
Oh, and wouldn't be complete without a crown.
Yeah.
You want to put it on?
Sure. I don't know how to get this thing.
Dad, can you help her get that out of there?
Why don't you start with this? You're good at these.
It's not for anyone. It's just for me. Sophia. A clue.
That's beautiful. Look at that dress.
Please help me open this.
Okay, hold on.
How cute.